Hey friends, let's make pineapple and banana smoothie. So we need one banana, 1 cup of pineapple cubes, some ice cubes, and 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey. And also we need 1 cup of milk. Add some chia seed, it's totally optional. So friends, our pineapple banana smoothie is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, have a good evening and good night. Hey friends, let's make a very easy apple drink. We need 1 apple, half cup of milk, half cup of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Apple drink is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Hey friends, let's make a mango and banana smoothie. We need 1 banana, some mango cubes, 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, 1 cup of milk. So friends, mango banana smoothie is ready. Hello friends, let's make pineapple and mango smoothie. 1 cup of pineapple and mango cubes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of milk. So friends, our pineapple mango smoothie is ready. Keep smiling. Hello friends, let's make a Twix milkshake. We need half cup of vanilla ice cream, half cup of milk, 1 bar of Twix. Twix shake is ready. Good night. Hello friends, let's make grapes milkshake. We need 10 to 15 seedless grapes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, some ice cubes, 1 cup of milk. Grapes shake is ready. Keep smiling. Hello friends, let's make grapes and banana smoothie. We need half cup of seedless grapes, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of milk. Smoothie is ready. Keep smiling. Good morning my friends. Let's start our day with strawberries and banana smoothie. And we need half cup of crushed ice. And we need around 6 to 7 strawberries. And also we need 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey, and half cup of milk. So friends, our simple and easy strawberries and banana smoothie is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day. Hey friends, let's make dates and apple smoothie. 1 apple and 15 seedless dates, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of milk. Keep smiling. Hello friends, let's make orange milkshake. 1 orange juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half cup of milk, some salt to taste. Orange milkshake is ready. Hello friends, let's make mixed fruits smoothie. We need 1 banana, half plum, half apple, and half pear, half cup of iced, 1 tablespoon of sugar, some salt to taste, and 1 cup of milk. Smoothie is ready. Hello friends, let's make fresh orange juice. So peel the oranges, then remove the seeds, then put some salt to taste. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Hello friends, let's make dragon fruit milkshake. So we need 2 scoops of ice cream and half cup of dragon fruit cubes and 1 cup of milk, and also add some vanilla extract. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Hey friends, let's make watermelon juice with chia seed. Remove the seeds very well. Put some salt to taste. Add the chia seed. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Hello friends, let's make a mango milkshake. We need 1 medium size of mango, some sugar to taste, 1 spoon of powdered milk, 1 cup of milk. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.